Hi students, next we start the subject. Next one is Visual Basic, Visual Programming. So what is the Visual Basic? What is the use of Visual Basic? Features of Visual Basic? Why you are using the Visual Basic? So we discussing about this Visual Basic today. First of all, programming means writing coded instructions or programs to instruct a computer or other devices to perform specific task automatically. The programming means designing a set of instructions to instruct the computer to carry out certain jobs that are very much faster than human beings can do. Programming means set of instructions written in the logical implementation of selectable language. So the computer programs written by the programmers are often known as software. Today we have to exist and we have to use different types of softwares. So these are desktop operating system softwares, internet browsers, spreadsheet analysis, word processing softwares, accounting softwares, photo and video editing softwares, so gaming softwares, mobile apps, robotic softwares and etc. like that. So today we have to engage these type of softwares. Next, what is Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a third generation event driven programming language. So this one first it was released by Microsoft Corporation in 1991. It evolved from Basic language. Basic means beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. So first version of this Visual Basic is 1.0. So final version of this Visual Basic is 6.0, VB6. Today we have to use this VB6. VB is a user-friendly programming language that is designed for beginners and it enables anyone to develop graphical user interface Windows applications. This is the graphical user interface Windows based application software. So what are the programs can you create using this Visual Basic 6.0? Visual Basic 6.0, you can create any program depending on your objective. For example, mathematical teachers can create mathematical programs, geometric progression, quadratic equation solver, prime numbers tester, factors finder, quadratic function graph plotter, etc. like that. So science teachers can create simple harmonic motion to create simulation programs, Star War, like that. So some business applications will be developed to using this Visual Basic. Those are inventory management system, calculators, investment calculators, payroll system developments, like that. So games also developed to using this Visual Basic language, create tic-tac toys, like that. So in multimedia programs we can use this Visual Basic software. Smart audio players, multimedia players will be developed to using this Visual Basic software. Then next concept of this Visual Basic is programming means writing coded instructions or programs to instruct a computer or other devices to perform specific tasks automatically. That is the program. Programming is a stepwise implementation of your problem. After that, So you can write the program. So that program is a logical instructions, logical and syntactical meaningful instructions makes a program. So the computer programs written by the programmers are often known as a software. So these are written by the user. So that is known as a software. Group of programs can be written by the user. It's known as software. This is the Visual Basic concept. So the next, why? Because it is a event driven program. It is a event driven program. Visual Basic is programming language which is used to create user interface. This Visual Basic is called event driven programming language. What is meant by event driven programming language? The code of the Visual Basic is remain ideal and listen until event does not occur. So for example, you can take, if I am filling an online application form, after filling all the details of mine, what I will do next? I have to click on what? I have to click on the submit button. It means what I listen until I don't click on the submit button, my form won't get submitted. So this is called, does what? Event driven programming. Event means clicking on a button is an event. Suppose you have a dragging mouse, moving a mouse, dropping a mouse in particular place in your application program, that can be an event. So event means it is a clicking on a button in particular place of your application is called an event. So we have to study about these tools or having, what are the tools are available in the Visual Basic. We can studying about these tools. So there are various types of tools in the Visual Basic, like there are command button, checkbox, text box, option button, combo box, image box, picture box, etc. like that. So we have to study every tool in detail. Next. Now let us start with the features of VB. VB features, Visual Basic features. Visual Basic says full set of objects so that you can draw your application. So you can make the application using the Visual Basic is very easy. Why? Because very easy to develop the application using this Visual Basic. It's having the components are well developed objects. Number of icons, pictures for your use. So you can create the pictures in your application is very easy. So number of icons are available to using and also develop the application. Response to mouse and keyboard actions. Keyboard, mouse events and keyboard actions are available in the Visual Basic to develop your application attractively. The next, clipboard and printer access is there. The next, it's having the mathematical string handling functions and graphical functions. So for the development of the application, if there are any mathematical function can be used, directly can use this mathematical function. It is a predefined function. Graphical string functions are also there. The next, you have to create the powerful databases. Powerful database tools are available here. You can create the databases, handling the databases using this Visual Basic very easy. And also it will be supports the ActiveX controls. So many controls are there. The main thing is ActiveX control. So this ActiveX control is the important control in the Visual Basic. This will be support to develop the applications very easy. These are the main features of the Visual Basics. So to engaging the applications using this Visual Basic software. Then next we have the various elements of toolbox. In Visual Basic application we are having the toolbox menu. In that toolbox menu different types of components are there. Components or objects, tools are there. So in generally these are picture box, label box, text box, frame box, command button, check box, option button, combo box, list box, horizontal and vertical bars, shape control, line control, image control, data control. These are the various components in the toolbox. Already these components are in the toolbox, available in the toolbox with the picture icons. So here is a picture box control. So what is the nature about this picture box? Why you are using this picture box control in your Visual Basic development, Visual Basic application development? So in Visual Basic have various elements of toolbox again. So picture box is there. This is basically used to display the picture and displaying images on the form. So in the figure it shows picture. So the picture box control is used for displaying images on the form. So here is the form. So you can put the picture box control on the form. So it is used to displaying the images of the picture. So the image property of the control allows you to set an image both on design time at the runtime. So design time it can be used and also runtime the properties of controls can be used. So this lets you can create the picture box by dragging a picture control from the toolbox and dropping it on the form. First of all, you can catch the picture box control from the toolbox and also drop it on the form. So this is the use of the picture box component. So this is basically used to display the picture and displaying the images on the form. First of all, it will be displaying the images on the form. So after running of the program, it will be display the actual picture on that same place. So I will show the examples for picture box control here. The next topic is what about label control? Visual Basic provide label control to development of the application. It is very easy to understood control. Visual Basic have the various elements again. The label box is graphical control that is used to display the text. Whatever text will be there, that will be displayed on the form. It is used to identify the controls. It is used to identify the input controls, output controls, like that. So why you are taking the text box for input? What is the type of input? What is the type of output you would display on the form? So that will be displayed through this label box. So that will be identified by this label box. The label control represents a standard Windows label. It is generally used to display some of the informative text on the graphical user interface. So it is a graphical interfacing which is not changed during the runtime. So during this runtime it cannot be changed. Let us create a label by dragging a label control from the toolbox and dropping it on the form. So you can catch the label control from the toolbox and drop it on the form. So this label control represent standard Windows labels. So it is used to identify the another controls For example, input output controls, those are text box controls. The next one, text box control. This is the another component of the toolbox. So this text box control allows entering the text on the form at runtime. So this text box control allows entering text. What is the type of text? So why you are entering that into the text box? So that will be entering into the runtime. So by default it takes a single line of text. So however you can make it accepts multiple text. It is by default it will be accepts only single line of text. Sometimes you are giving the multiple line of text, it will be allowed by this text box control. And also it's having even add scroll bars also. So let us create this text box by dragging a text box control from the toolbox and dropping it on the form. So generally, so you can put this text box on the form with the dragging of the mouse. So here is a picture is there. So you can put up this text box from toolbox to the form with the help of the mouse. So this is the text box control. It is used to given the output and also displaying the output. When you are given the data to particular numbers, you are given the particular A value, number 1 value, number 2 value, like that you are given the inputting values. So you have to using this text box control, and output also displayed in this text box. Then next, Visual Basic frame control. Visual Basic have various elements of the toolbox. So again it's having the frame box control. This is used to click on the insert frame button in the tools toolbar. Toolbox having the tools. From these tools you can click the frame and also put up on the form. So click and drag the location and size where it is to be created in the form. In which place you will be creates, so you can select it and also create this frame box. Then next, continue to create an additional frames desired. You can require the additional frames, you are given the frames. Here is a picture, so I shall create one of the frame for one form. So in another form I will create 2 frames. So right click on to each button and choose properties from the context menu. So when you click on the rightmost button of the mouse, it will be displays the properties of that concerned toolbox. So the next concerned tool, the tool is frame. So set the properties for the frame as desired. So using the properties you can set the design and set the properties for your frame. When you click on the rightmost button of the mouse, it will be displayed the properties of that frame. So you can set the properties of that frame if you required. The next, coming into another command control button. This is various component in the toolbox. So this is a command button. So this command button control is used to begin and interrupt or end of a process. So you can start the process, you can interrupt the process, so you can end of the process. So that means you are using the command buttons with the clicking and also displaying some of the options on that button: start, end, exit, the next sum, average, price, quantity, like that. So you will be create the command buttons. So when you click a command button, that will be appears to be pushed in, and so it is sometimes called a push button. So when you click on this command button, it will be displays the concerned coding of that command button on the coding control. So the most common event for a command button control is the click event. So this is the most common event can be used to develop the application. In generally, you have to use this command button to development of your Visual Basic application. So this is the most common event for a command button control. So when you can click it, that event will be occurred in your program. When you can click on that, so what is the type of event is there? That event will be fires, and also it will be, so it will be run that event. So that means, so this is a command button, it performs a task when the user clicks the button. So you can use this command button control to begin, end, and any interruption in your program, you can use this command button control. This is very important command control. So generally you can use in your VB development application, any application program, compulsory this command button can be used by the user. So this is the most common event that will be fires. So automatically the event will be occurred in your Visual Basic application. So I can stop here. Then next button controls will be explained in another class. Thank you, students.